this is Rachel with the team at Clarity Co. here to bring you some tech clarity. We're excited to share with you our Monday 101 course on board navigation, how to add files and links to your Monday.com board. Let's dive in. Jumping into our Monday board, there are 3 places that we can add a link to or a file to in our Monday.com board. The first is the link column, the second is the files column, and the third is in our update section. If we select the update option, you can add a file or a link here in this section. Let's start with the link column. The link column allows you to paste a link from a website or whatever it might be into that text box, type out the text that you want displayed, and then that link will then show up as a hyperlink for other team members to use. To demonstrate what this looks like, I have a link copied. I'm going to select my cell here, paste that link, and then automatically the text to display is showing what that link is. I can change that though to sample board or whatever it might be that I want the text displayed as. Once I select this link, up shows my board that I want referenced or whatever link it might be. It does not have to be within Monday.com that you are referencing. It can be external, another website, or even another site like SharePoint, for example. The file column allows you to upload a file, whether it's from your computer, a Google Drive, or even referencing within Monday.com as well, like a Monday doc. If I want to upload any file, I can click the blue plus mark here, click and select the option that I need to reference as far as uploading that file. And once I do so, that file will be displayed within my Monday.com text box there. I'm going to select a Monday doc for the time being, select the outline for this video, and then you see the file is uploaded here. Once I hover over that cell, a sample of what that document is displayed for my viewing. The last section in Monday.com that we can add a file to is the label peelback or the update sections. To do a label peelback file upload or hyperlink upload, go ahead and hover over that right-hand corner, clicking that plus mark, and then either selecting the paperclip or the hyperlink chain here. You can also directly paste a link within the text box here and then click update. The benefit of pasting a link or a file directly tied to a status update is so that the file is directly tied to that status and team members are aware of what is being referenced. If, however, I would like for my file to be just an update, I don't need it to be tied to a specific status, I can select the update chat bubble here. Go ahead and select the text box here, and I can either upload the file here with the paperclip, hyperlink a specific section of text by highlighting it and then selecting link and insert link, or I can directly paste the text here within this text box, depending on what my preference might be. The cool feature that I want to call out in the update section is the Files tab. Any and all files that have been uploaded related to this item specifically will be captured within this tab here, and team members can go back and reference all files, not just one file that has been posted within the update section. One final pro tip that we want to share with you is if you do have a lot of links that you need quickly and easily referenced posted within the update section, our recommendation is to go ahead and pin this message to the top so that way team members can find those links quickly and easily while they're working on the item. That's all that we have for you from our team here at Clarity Co. We want to say thank you so much for tuning in to our Tech Clarity session on how to upload links and files to your Monday.com board. If you need additional support, tips, tricks, ideas on how to maximize your Monday.com or some creative minds working on your Monday.com to maximize your account, be sure to reach out to our team and we'll be happy to help. Until next time.